Samahan niyo akong silipin ng isa sa mga magagandang train station dito sa bansang South Korea, ang Masan Station. Hi guys, Anyong JD Sense. Sa video na to, hayaan niyo ipakita ko sa inyo yung isa sa mga traditional type and pinaka-affordable na transportation fee ng train, ang Korail or Mugunghwa. And to give you a brief information about this train, the Mugunghwa train, also known as Mugunghwa Ho, is a slower conventional train operated by Korail in South Korea. It's designed to serve a larger number of stations, including smaller towns and villages. Compared to faster trains like KTX or Korea Train Express, Mugunghwa trains are generally twice as slow as KTX and 25% slower than ITX new generation. And also, they offer a more authentic experience of traveling across the Korean countryside. And when we talk about transportation cost, while slower, Mugunghwa trains are typically less expensive than Korea Train Express or KTX or Intercity Train Express or ITX new generation, making them a budget-friendly option. So meaning to say, JD Sense, ito yung pinaka-affordable na transportation fee ng train na meron dito sa bansang South Korea. And at the same time, marami din siyang stations na tinitigilan kung kaya't mas slower siya or mas mabagal siya compare sa mga KTX or yung mga mabibilis na train. Pero ganun pa man, kung friendly budget ang hanap mo, pwedeng isa ito sa mga sasakyan mo once na hindi ka naman masyadong nagmamadali. And comfortable din ang upuan, lalo na para sa mahabang biyahe. Meron ding CR na maaari nating magamit sa loob ng train. Galing nga pala ako sa Suncheon Station guys. Naubusan kasi ako ng ticket ng bus. Kaya buti na lang merong available dito sa train. And thank you nga pala doon sa teller sa Gwangju U Square Bus Terminal kasi tinulungan niya ako upang makasakay dito. Yun nga lang, pansin ko din sa dami rin ng gumagamit nito, talagang madalas magkaubusan din ng train ticket kasi talagang madalas itong gamitin ng mga students and mga foreigner and mga Koreans na nagtatrabaho mula dito. Kapansin-pansin din talaga kung gaano kalinis and kaganda yung facility nila dito guys. Biruin nyo, train station pa lang to. And kung mapapansin nyo, ang titingnan nyo, parang airport na rin. Sana ma-adapt din natin yung ganitong system or ganitong facility na nasa Pinas guys. Hanggang dito na lang muna ulit yung vlog ko na to guys. Please share this video and kung nagustuhan mo to, please don't forget to give this video a heart and follow me for more. Again, this is John Dave Celestial, always saying, keep going to pursue your dreams. Annyeong. Peace.